has been a test of the NOAA all hazards with the radio.
This program for a test of the emergency alert system in the following Virginia localities.
Tree. That's tree. Enter it now. Delmarva's Christmas Station 104.7 Q105.
It's me, Mario.
Life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome. Pre-diabetes does. With early diagnosis, pre-diabetes can be reversed. Take the 1-minute pre-diabetes risk test today. Visit healthydelaware.org.
System. This is only a test. Equipment that can quickly alert to an emergency is being tested. In an actual emergency, official messages would have followed an alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. It takes less than 1 minute to find out the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the Virginia.
Tell. They're voiced by. Brian and Ian.
This system would bring you important information.
For $6.99 each, you could be in for a shock.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
Face, man. They say it's a fake.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
I'm taking a slight.
Antonio admits that his behavior